Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Amazon laminating machine, making document protection simple and efficient. Laminating is a fantastic way to preserve important papers, photos, and crafts, shielding them from spills, tears, and everyday damage. We'll go over everything from the initial setup to creating perfectly sealed documents. You'll learn how to prepare your machine, select the correct pouches, and achieve professional-looking results in just a few easy steps. Let's get started on extending the life of your valuable items. Before you begin laminating, proper document preparation is key for a flawless finish. First, choose a laminating pouch that is slightly larger than your document, ideally by about 1/8 of an inch on each side, to ensure a complete seal. Carefully center your document inside the pouch, making sure it's straight and has even borders. This prevents uneven sealing and ensures a professional look. Also, always check that your documents are clean and free of any dust or small particles, as these can become permanently sealed into your finished product. A little preparation goes a long way. Once your documents are prepped, it's time for the main event. Turn on your laminating machine and let it preheat for approximately 3 to 5 minutes until the ready indicator light comes on. This ensures the rollers are at the optimal temperature for a perfect seal. Next, gently feed the sealed edge of your laminating pouch into the machine's entry slot. Guide it straight and let the machine do the rest. After it exits, place your newly laminated document on a flat surface to cool for about 30 seconds. This helps the adhesive set completely, preventing any curling. To keep your Amazon laminating machine performing at its best, a little care goes a long way. After several uses, consider running a Laminator cleaning sheet through the machine to remove any adhesive residue from the rollers. Always use good quality laminating pouches. This not only gives you better results, but also protects your machine from potential damage. When you're finished, turn off and unplug the machine, allowing it to cool completely before storing it in a dry, dust-free place. Following these simple tips will ensure your laminator provides years of reliable service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.